Morning, all of you. Today I am going to discuss very important topic from class 9, chapter number first, motion. So let's see. First of all, what is meant by motion we know very well. In our surrounding area, different types of objects are present. So out of that, some objects is in the rest position and some objects are in the motion. So whenever any object changes its position with respect to time, then that object is said to be in motion. But if suppose any object is unable to change its position, so such an object indirectly be called as that object is in the rest position. So let's see in case of this very important part, that is distance and displacement. So many students are there who are always confused. What is the difference between distance and displacement? Now, distance means the actual path traveled by a body is said to be a distance. And displacement definition, the shortest distance between initial point and final point is called as displacement. SI unit for distance as well as displacement for both. SI unit is same. That means distance and displacement we are measuring in meter only. But actual path traveled by a body is called as distance, and the shortest distance between initial point and final point, or initial position or final position, is called as displacement. So let's take one example. Let's see in the next slide. One figure is there in front of you. So three spots are there, that is A, B, C. So according to distance, if suppose we have to find out distance between A to C. So actual path traveled by a body is just like first A to B, then from B to C. Now A to B is 4 meter and B to C is 3 meter. So like that, distance becomes 4 meter plus 3 meter, that is 7 meter. So distance means actual path traveled by a body, and according to that definition, here distance becomes 7 meter. But what about displacement? The shortest distance between initial and final point is called as displacement. So let's see now, initial position is A and final position is C. So what about the shortest distance? Now A to B and B to C. So total is 4 plus 3, that is 7 meter. But let's see the shortest distance is given in the figure, that is directly from A to C. And the total distance is 5 meter. Now 5 meter is shortest or 7 meter is shortest? 5 meter. Because of that reason, in this figure, displacement is 5 meter. So this is the difference. So distance is here 7 meter and displacement is 5 meter. So once again, I am telling the SI unit for distance as well as displacement for both SI unit is same, that is meter, which is denoted by symbol M. So let's see. Now next figure. Now circular path is there. If suppose anyone is present on one point, suppose A is given spot here. So A is nothing but the object or any spot. Now if suppose object starts its motion from A point and again recovers all the circular path and comes to the original position A. So now initial position of the object is A, final position of the object is A. Now according to displacement definition, the shortest distance between 2 points is called as displacement. So what about here displacement? Here displacement becomes 0. But distance never 0. Why? Because distance is scalar quantity and displacement is a vector quantity. Generally we know very well what is scalar and vector quantity. Scalar means magnitude only and vector means magnitude as well as direction. So in this circular path, here displacement becomes 0 because initial and final position both are same, but distance, now it is just like a circumference of a circle, so distance becomes twice pi r. So let's have a look on a difference between distance and displacement in short. So you have to write first definition, that is distance means actual path traveled by your body, and here for displacement the shortest distance between initial position and final position. Second, if suppose any object is in the motion, then distance never is zero, but displacement may be zero. Why? Because distance is a scalar quantity and displacement is a vector quantity. So distance is scalar and displacement is vector. Because of that reason, distance, it can never be zero or negative. It can never be zero or negative. Why? Because distance is a scalar quantity. But what about displacement? Displacement may be positive, may be negative, or zero. So this short topic already we discussed. So next very important topic is there, that is speed, velocity, and acceleration. So we will discuss in our next video. Thank you so much, Beta.